Our fourth lecture of the fifth unit of ATS 113 is all about the human impact on the atmosphere. This is pages 428 to 445. Obviously, the main thing we're going to be talking about in this section is pollution. And what you should be getting out of this is that there are two different types of pollution in the atmosphere. There are the primary pollutants and the secondary pollutants. Make sure you straighten out the difference between them and you know the basic sources and sinks, especially for the primary pollutants. Some of the individual constituents of the pollutants aren't so important. For example, you notice I crossed out a big section here about particulate matter. Up here too. On the other hand, the different carbon oxides like carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide are obviously very important for global warming. So make sure you understand about them. And this section actually about severe pollution episodes is interesting. There's actually several historic newsreel videos on your course CD showing interesting impacts of some of the severe pollution episodes of the past. So you got the sulfur compounds, which give rise to acid rain. That's an important concept in the class. And we skip nitrous oxides because we don't need to know all the details about all these different pollutants. But you do need to know about the secondary pollutants like photochemical smog. And then also ways in which pollutants are dispersed to improve air quality, such as the effects of wind or the effects of stability on the dispersion of pollution. And then another human impact is urban heat islands, which are caused by radiative impacts of like particulate matter in cities. The changes in the heat storage capacity of different surfaces in the city, and also the differences between the transfers of sensible and latent heat out of the surface. Alright, so those are going to be the main impacts that we're going to study in this class. It's obviously a lot of reading, but the class is also Environmental Science 113. We should probably spend some time on the environment. So if you have any questions, please let me know. This is Dr. John Schrage, copyright 2006.